I'll be showing you how to duplicate videos on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for previous iPhones and iPads. So I have this video in my Photos app. So just go to your Photos app and find the video you want to duplicate. So let's take an example of this 12-second video of these waterfalls in landscape mode. Okay. So with a video like this, when you want to duplicate, just open the video and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select duplicate. And that's going to duplicate that video and create another identical video, which is basically what duplicating is. So now we have two videos that are exactly the same, 12 seconds, landscape of the waterfalls. 1, 2. That's basically how to duplicate videos on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.